Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Insurance Education YouTube channel. My name is Raymond Macmillan, and in today's video I want to talk to you about some terms that are used in the insurance industry, and these are Latin terms. The first one we talk about is one called ab initio cancellation. If you ever see those words in your policy, or you get an endorsement from an insurer saying they are cancelling ab initio, it means that they are cancelling the policy back to the beginning. Let's say a policy was taken out in January, and for some breach of the contract, or sometimes if the client promises to pay after 30-45 days and they fail to pay, the insurer would say, you know what, let's send an endorsement to the client cancelling the policy ab initio. It means from the beginning. No policies in existence. You can have a tricky situation if a policy is in existence for, let's say, started in January, client submitted a legal claim in March, insurer paid the claim. They had another claim in June, the insurer paid the claim. But if, let's say, in September a false claim was submitted, the insurer, under their rights, under the policy terms and condition, can cancel the policy ab initio, back to the beginning. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, do you see the predicament? The insured legally would now need to pay back the claim in March and June back to the insurer, because if the policy is cancelled ab initio, it means that there is no policy in place. Therefore, the insurer should not be out of pocket. That is a tricky situation. And so that is ab initio cancellation of cover. There's another one I want to mention to you. It's called ris isper loquitur. Again, ris isper loquitur. It's spelled R-I-S, one word, I-S-P-A-L-O-Q-U-T-O-R. Ris isper loquitur. And it's a situation which occurs in let's say there's a claim. Let's take motor insurance. If you go before the judge and your defense, the plaintiff brings the action and the plaintiff says, Judge, ris isper loquitur. The road is meant for the vehicles. This vehicle is on the pavement and injured my client. The facts speaks for themselves, and that's what ris isper loquitur means. The car doesn't belong on the pavement. Well, what would be your defense? What are you doing on the pavement which belongs to the passengers? You should be on the road. So therefore, can you see how difficult it would be for that driver to defend himself under that situation? The facts speaks for themselves. There's a notable case which brought out that rule, and it's called Ryland versus Fletcher. That would have been in the early 1900s. So if you want to look it up, Ryland versus Fletcher, where water from one person's land went to another and destroyed the other person's land. The facts speaks for themselves. Just two Latin terms you would find in the insurance industry. Next time, I'd want to tell you something about privity of contract. Very key. And next to privity of contract, I'd want to mention the third party's rights against insurance. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this is helpful to at least one person. We're inviting you to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to be the first to get notification of our next video, just click the notification bell above. Thank you for your time.